is our JZ Organic Barley. So this
Wow.
is yung variety natin is our organic barley na gold. So organic barley grass is often considered a nutritional powerhouse, encompassing a wide array of essential components beneficial for overall health and well-being. O di ba, yung ating JC Organic Barley, siksik na siya sa lahat ng nutrients na kailangan ng ating katawan. And it is rich in vitamins, including A, C, and various B vitamins, and it provides a crucial support from infancy to old age. So walang pinipiling edad, 'di ba? Pagkapanganak mo pa lang, syempre hindi pa pwede 'yon, pero the moment na pwede na at in-advise na ng doctor na pwede na mag-additional supplement yung inyong mga babies or yung inyong mga anak at hanggang tumanda si lolo't lola, JZ Organic Barley is the key. O, diba? So ano nga ba? Its mineral content including calcium, iron, and magnesium promotes bone health and energy production. So wag na kayong magtaka kung bakit I'm full of energy tonight because I took organic barley
Grabe yan.
training na
Grabe.
to. Okay,
Mm.
next. Ano nga ba yung mga benefits na nakukuha natin sa ating organic barley? Of course, it helps reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. It also helps reduce the risk of having cardiovascular disease and formation of blood clots.
Grabe.
Yung ating katawan, 'di ba? So, eto yung nangyayari sa atin, 'di ba? Usually pag tumatanda tayo, hindi na tayo kumakain ng mga healthy na pagkain, nagkakaroon na ng taba. Yung ating dugo, especially those who have diabetes, yung ating dugo ay nagiging malapot na siya. So yung nangyayari, kung nagtitake ka ng barley, nagre-risk yun. Kasi pag malapot si blood, pag dumaan siya sa heart, what will happen? Magkakaroon ng bara. O, 'di ba? Pag nagkaroon ng bara, what will mangyayari sa atin? It's either we will die or we will have a heart attack. 'Di ba? It also help reduce the risk of high blood pressure and lower blood cholesterol and blood glucose
Wow.
level.
Grabe.
So if you're a diabetic, yung iyong blood nagiging mataas yung sugar content niya. Yun yung glucose level. So what happens if you take barley, nagdi-decrease yon. So ang nangyayari, hindi na nagiging malapot yung ating blood. It also helps to promote healthy digestive system by maintaining a healthy colon. So kung hindi ka na nakakatunaw dahil nga medyo, aging tayo dyan, just take JZ Organic Barley, yan yung solusyon, 'di ba? And it also help fight formation of gallstone by reducing bile acid secretions. And another benefit, it also helps reduce the risk of having anemia and fatigue. O, di ba? Kahit pagod na pagod tayo dahil sa kakatrabaho. And of course, there is a possibility yung anemia, ito yung pula natin sa dugo, nagdi-decrease siya if hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng enough sleep and rest. So what happens? Pag bumaba yun,
Oh,
magkakaroon tayo ng either magfa-fatigue or manghihina ka, but because you are taking organic barley, mukha ba akong matamlay? Hindi naman, di ba? Actually, galing akong
hindi.
duty kagabi, pero buong
Grabe
araw,
yan.
hindi pa ako natutulog. Pero mukha
Grabe
ba akong
yan.
anemic? Hindi ba?
Blooming pa
Walang
din.
fatigue.
Grabe.
Hindi,
Yes, and it
coach.
also
Grabe
helps
Fresh
naman.
na
of
fresh.
blood
Barley.
volume.
Yes.
Yes. Nakaka-prep. It also helps promote hemoglobin and red blood cells formation. Eto din yung related siya dun sa anemia. Kasi si hemoglobin, this is the red color of our blood. Pag mababa si hemoglobin, yung oxygen or yung dapat na oxygen na nandun sa blood natin to make it flow hanggang sa brain, bumababa siya. So just take JC Organic Barley dahil it will prevent you from decreasing your hemoglobin. And of course, nakakapayat, nakakasexy. It promotes weight loss. And it helps protect the cells against free radicals and reduce cellular damage. Because as we age, di ba, yung mga cells natin, nagiging hindi na siya ganun ka-healthy. And of course, dahil maraming pollutants, maraming pollution, ang nangyayari, napupunta ito sa katawan natin. And as we age, hindi natin ito nawawala. So we need supplements. And it also helps reduce the risk of having rheumatoid arthritis and helps strengthen our bones and muscles, therefore reducing the risk of having osteoporosis. Diba? Habang tumatanda, isa sa mga problems natin ay hindi na naa-absorb ng katawan natin si calcium. So nagkakaroon na tayo ng brittle bones. O, di ba? Yung mga matatanda sa atin, pag tayo nadapa or nag-slide sila, yung bones nila madali nang brittle. So, eto yung supplement na para sa kanila. And it helps strengthen our immune system and reduces the chances of cold and flu. O, 'di ba? So, eto, buong-buo na yung nutrients na nasa JC Organic Barley. 'Di ba? Ganun din yung binibigay niya sa katawan natin, which is we can use kahit ano pang trabaho na meron tayo.